In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GitHub Actions deploying the wrong or old commit SHA. This happens when a downstream deployment checks out the default branch commit instead of the exact commit that passed the upstream workflow. So let's walk through spotting the mismatch and pinning it correctly. First, let's identify why the wrong SHA was checked out. Open the wrong run log in GitHub. In the expanded compare SHA step, compare the event head SHA with the checked out SHA. The mismatch here confirms that checkout used the downstream event SHA instead of the tested upstream commit. Next, let's pin checkout to the exact upstream commit. The fix is to pass the triggering workflow's head SHA directly to Actions checkout. Now switch to the repository containing the downstream workflow file. Click the pencil-shaped Edit this file icon in the upper right corner of the file view. Click at the end of the Uses line in the editor and press Enter. Now copy the line, which is also available in the pinned comment, and paste it into the editor so it references the exact triggering SHA. Take your time here and make sure the indentation lines up with the surrounding block. Once the change looks correct, click Commit Changes in the upper right corner. In the Commit dialog, keep the option to commit directly to the main branch selected, then click Commit Changes to save the update. Next, let's start a fresh upstream run. Switch over to your preferred Build Workflow tab. Confirm that the Run Workflow panel shows Develop in the branch dropdown. Then click the green Run Workflow button. Wait for the build job, and then deploy after build to finish completely before moving on. Lastly, let's verify the deployed SHA now matches. In the completed downstream run, view the expanded Compare SHA step under the deploy job. Confirm that the event head SHA and the checked out SHA are exactly the same, 40-character commit SHA. The downstream workflow now checks out the exact commit that passed the upstream build workflow. The event head SHA and the checked out SHA match, while the GitHub default SHA may remain different, because it still represents the downstream event's default branch context, and that is expected behavior rather than a problem. Congratulations, you have successfully fixed GitHub Actions deploying the wrong or old commit SHA, and your downstream deployments will now release the exact tested code every time.